definitions now must begin. Yes, the question of your credibility is paper thin. The mortals in the wineskin, yes, the thick and thin. You turn yourself against your only next of kin. The spirit is your guide, the soul vitamin, the method to provide and to hold genuine. Completed in time to move adrenaline, perfected through lines of rhymes and discipline. Glitter and shine, now and ears apprehend, extend into the next mind. Then we make amends, build a better system. It's the global citizen. The source of the mission is to live and love again. Take a second backward now to the origin. Put it on your list, place it on your bulletin. What you gotta say will last until the end. Yes, soon we will see when time comes again. Beats per minute, yes, we turn it out, turn it out. Yeah, we burn it out, burn it out. Beats per minute, yes, we turn it out, turn it out. Yeah, we burn it out, burn it out. Beats per minute, yes, we turn it out, turn it out. Yeah, burn it out, burn it out. Beats per minute, what? Turn it out, turn it out. Yeah, check it out. Now, don't be fooled by what? The competition. Empty promises with broken ambition. Could it be the devil and his tricks on a mission? Kill, steal, destroy, now eternal submission. Now, the mind of battlefield, the heart held for ransom. Who is the savior? Who is the champion? Money talks mechanic, bring forth another anthem. The theme, the title of who it involves or solves, yes. The question of the mighty scheme. Who and what we are and why we do believe. The height, what level, and what we can achieve. Spiritual fire burn forever, be believed. Enrichment of life, absorbed and redeemed. Ordained to inspect the origin. Recommended various intellect. View of only apprehended. Yes, now apprehended. Beats per minute, yes, turn it out, turn it out. BPM now, burn it out, burn it out. Beats per minute, yes, turn it out, turn it out. BPM now, burn it out, burn it out. Beats per minute, yes, turn it out, turn it out. BPM now, burn it out, burn it out. Beats per minute, yes, turn it out, turn it out. BPM now, burn it out, burn it out. Today's the day, now releasing apprehension. Stimulate the spirit, now relieving all the tension. Get out of hand, then I might have to mention. What is the point of chaotic intervention? Copyright the mic, then select intuition. Move your minds for a positive definition. I shall proceed with